Many traditional banks offer 0.01% APY, while top HYSAs yield over 4.5%. Traditional savings accounts often provide less than 0.1% APY. A high-yield savings account, or HYSA, offers significantly more, often above 4.0% APY. For your emergency fund, this difference means hundreds, even thousands more dollars earned. Compare your current bank's rate. Now, let's examine specific providers. Marcus by Goldman Sachs typically offers highly competitive rates, projected around 4.40% APY for 2026, without monthly fees or minimums. It's straightforward. Open an account online, link your existing bank, and transfer funds. This simplicity makes it a strong contender for a dedicated emergency fund. Next, consider Ally Bank. Ally Bank excels with user-friendly digital tools, offering a projected 4.35% APY in 2026 with no monthly fees. Their Buckets feature allows you to visually categorize your emergency fund, like car repair or medical costs, within one account. This helps track specific savings goals. Create your first bucket today. Now, let's examine Wealthfront. Wealthfront's cash account offers a competitive projected 4.50% APY for 2026, with FDIC coverage up to $8 million through partner banks. This account integrates well if you already use Wealthfront for automated investing or plan to. It provides direct deposit options and bill pay. Consider this if you seek integrated financial management. Then, we'll choose the best option. For simplicity and a strong APY, Marcus is excellent. Ally offers great digital tools like Buckets. Wealthfront provides the highest projected APY and seamless integration with investment accounts. Select the one that aligns best with your financial habits and future goals. Create a comparison chart for your final decision. Now, you're ready to maximize your emergency fund. You've learned how to choose the best high-yield savings for your emergency fund. Next, discover strategies for investing your business's surplus cash.